Hi, this is Erin from Don's Appliances. Today we're going to be talking about the Whirlpool front load washer and dryer. The first thing I want to discuss is this is a 4.5 cubic foot washer. Here I have a full king size comforter and I'm going to show you guys how it fits. As you can see, the entire king size comforter fits comfortably into the unit and there's still room around it. One of the things I love about the Whirlpool washer is it's asking you two basic questions. What are we washing? And then how do we want to wash it? Another feature that I really like on it is the load and go. You enter an entire container of detergent into the unit. It senses the weight of the clothes and enters the right amount of detergent needed for that wash. If anyone in your household has to use specific detergent, we would recommend using the single load. The single dispenser is going to allow you to optimize different detergent instead of always optimizing the load and go option. To utilize the load and go option, the detergent is going to be entered underneath. On top of the washer, we have the Whirlpool dryer. This unit comes in both gas and electric, and this specific unit is going to be 7.4 cubic feet. So once that king size comforter is done washing, it'll fit comfortably into the dryer. Just like the washer, it's going to ask you two questions. At the top, you're going to find what to dry, and then how do you want to dry it? You're going to have additional features over here, and one specific one I love is the steam refresh. So if you ever have anything that's going to be wrinkly, it's great to set that cycle and help relax wrinkles while adding steam from the washer. This set is going to give you an overall idea of how the units are going to look. Give or take, some of the cycles may alter on different models. For instance, the load and go is not going to be available on all models. You do have color options as well. This is going to be the chrome, and most do come in white as well. Again, this is Erin from Don's Appliances. I hope this information has helped you decide what Whirlpool washer and dryer is best for you.